Right now, as you watch this video, Earth is being bombarded by the most powerful solar storm we've seen in over 2 decades. And the effects? They're already being felt across the planet. From scrubbed rocket launches to stunning auroras visible as far south as Alabama, this solar event is rewriting what we thought we knew about space weather in 2025. In this video, we'll break down exactly what's happening, why scientists are calling this a G5 extreme event, and what it means for our technology-dependent world. Let's dive in. On Wednesday, November 12, 2025, the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center upgraded its forecast from G3, meaning strong, to G4, indicating severe conditions. But the British Geological Society went even further, warning this storm could reach G5, the maximum extreme level. According to their statement, early ground measurements of solar energetic particles are some of the largest recorded since 2005. That's nearly 20 years of relatively quiet space weather suddenly shattered. So what exactly is a geomagnetic storm? When the sun releases a massive surge of charged particles called a coronal mass ejection, these particles race toward Earth at incredible speeds, carrying electromagnetic energy that can wreak havoc on our technology. While Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere provide some protection, severe storms like this one can penetrate our defenses, affecting both space-based satellites and ground equipment. The storm's effects are already being felt. Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin was forced to scrub the second launch attempt of its massive New Glenn rocket on Tuesday, not because of regular weather, but because of space weather. The rocket was carrying 2 NASA Mars-bound spacecraft called Escapade. Blue Origin stated that while New Glenn was ready to launch, the highly elevated solar activity posed too great a risk to the spacecraft's sensitive electronics. But rocket launches are just the beginning. GPS satellites, communications networks, and even ground-based power grids are all vulnerable to this level of solar activity. These charged particles can induce electrical currents in infrastructure, potentially causing widespread disruptions. We've seen this before. In May 2024, a G5 storm caused GPS-dependent farming equipment to malfunction across the country. Tractors stopped mid-field, navigation systems went haywire, and operations ground to a halt. The timing of this storm isn't coincidental. In October 2024, NASA announced that the sun had reached its solar maximum, the most active phase of its 11-year cycle. During this period, solar flares and coronal mass ejections become far more frequent and intense. What's concerning scientists is that even though we're supposedly at solar maximum, activity shows no signs of slowing down. The latest forecast suggests we could be in for an extended period of heightened solar activity. Solar storms travel from the sun and can reach Earth in as little as 17 hours, but they can also take significantly longer. The British Geological Society was candid in their assessment. Like any forecast, it is not possible to say with certainty exactly how big the storm will be, but it's not all doom and gloom. One spectacular side effect of this solar storm has been the auroras. Normally confined to polar regions, these dazzling light shows have been visible across North America, reaching as far south as Alabama. Social media has exploded with breathtaking images as people witness this rare celestial phenomenon. As we become increasingly dependent on satellite technology and interconnected systems, events like this remind us just how vulnerable we are to the whims of our nearest star. Stay safe, keep an eye on space weather forecasts, and if you're in the right location, look up. You might just catch nature's greatest light show.